Hey everyone, Apple Visions Pro, Facebook, Meta and the Elon Musk Tesla cars, they are already using artificial intelligence, and they also think artificial intelligence is the most useful software by 2027 across various sectors. With the rapid advanced technologies and the integrations of AI across various sectors, AI stocks have been emerged as the best investment opportunities options for the several reasons. Yes, I knew you have already many stocks in your portfolio which is already generate lower return or negative return. Then why you put your hard-earned money on those stocks and hold those stocks if they not return generate a good way of the in your futures? In a recent article, Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon like big tycoon are showing their interest in implementing on the artificial intelligence on their apps because of the improvement search console and the delivered good services to the customer. Now you thought I am saying too easily, but it's too hard for you to find a good fundamentally opportunistic artificial intelligence stocks in the India. Before dive to the video, just for your information, in the globally artificial intelligence market grew by almost 38% CAGR and the Indian market almost grew by 18% annual. After see this full video, I am assured you it is not too much hard of fundamentally good AI stocks in the start the video. Straight coming to the point. Before investing any sector like AI, new emerging sector, investors have many questions, and looking at the reasons, I have find some three major key points for those investors who is clear all doubts which is already in this video. The first one, what is artificial intelligence and how they work? The second is the growth is permanent for the long time or the limited? And third, four valuable Indian stock and the two USA stocks of best artificial. Let's come into the first points. What is artificial intelligence and how they works? Chat GPT, the only thing in our minds when we are talking about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not an easy subject to discuss or understand. Just one thing you have to understand, it is a system software as many industries use for their systems because of the good service and the future prospects like food tech, retail e-commerce, digital bankings and technology sectors and many etc. core sectors have the performed. When you last time used ChatGPT, it saved time. After coming artificial intelligence, we are more creative, learn fastly and earning more way than other than we think. In the recent year, we see the more growth in the algo trading research, stock research, YouTube video making, thumbnails making, voice recordings, everything and easy in our hand right now. It's a quick moment for us to ready anything in a. Furthermore, artificial intelligence synonymous with innovations. Companies are the forefront implemented artificial intelligence in their apps because of pushing boundaries, creating new algorithm, new tools. So because of how to revolutionize the business and the interact business or various sectors are increasingly recognize the importance of strategic AI implementation for the driving in innovations, growth and the competitive advantages. Now you see the almost huge growth is already done in the artificial intelligence market, but it's not the end yet. But the one major bad news from the electric vehicle market, Indian Roadways Ministry already said the Indian roads are not paid for the autopilot cars, so the opportunity of this biggest is the end here. But still have a time in many sectors like healthcare informations and the technologies, excellence and the YouTube and the many excellence expertise sectors are already have a time to the growth potentials. Coming years is for growth and development and feel the skin. You sit at the once and you feel and travel the all the globe at the any time at the anywhere. So growth potential have a long time offering to us. Coming to the third point, the four valuable Indian AI stocks and the two USA global AI stocks. Thank you. You are waited for this third point. Since 2023, I am invested in the AI stocks. and that time stocks opportunity as less like today. One of my stock not listed in my list. So opportunity and time has been changed rapidly. The four Indian stocks: the first one Cyient Limited, second one Apple India Limited, third one Saxoft Limited, and the fourth one Happiest Mind Technology. The first stock Cyient Limited, it's almost 23,000 crores market cap. That means it's a mid cap company with almost 18% return on equity, and businesses all about 5G, urbanizations, clear energy, all etc. And the second Apple India Limited, 16,500 crore market capital, 1,100 is almost right now its current price. It's delivered a 20% return on equity, and but do you know what's the better thing in this company? Its company since the last 5 years delivered a 55% growth dividend. And the third stock Saxoft Limited, it's a almost 3,000 small cap company, but its current price is 210 rupees almost approximately. But one major thing, it is a fundamentally strong above two companies because it's a almost debt free company. Its cash flow return on equity 20%, it's deliver a good dividends also. Cloud infrastructure, data analytic, e-commerce businesses have the implementation in the core business of the Saxoft Limited. Happiest Mind Technology almost 30% return, and its return on equity almost higher than those three stocks. But it is not important only the return on equity. Overall, fundamentally based AI stock, I can say that Saxoft Limited as per my investments records. Hope you will get your 4 Indian fundamentally strong stock. But many viewers wishes that US stocks are more implemented in the future's artificial intelligence frequently. So for them, I have introduced two major artificial intelligence stocks at the global stage. The first one, NVIDIA Corporations Limited. Its stock price current at 736 US dollar approximately, and it's almost delivered in the past 5 years 1900% return. Wow. And company businesses in the technology, gaming softwares, and many others like Intel and Microsoft corporations. And recently Nvidia Corporation is the market capital recently beat the Alphabet main company of Google. Second stock Symbiotic Inc. This stock current price is $42 almost, with the past 343% return in the past 5 years. But now you think how you invested in the US share market. So please go away in my comment section for IND stock and click the link and go through the open the US stock. 90% people watch the videos but don't subscribe. Please subscribe the channel for we motivate to make helpful financial videos in future for you.